Hi everyone, it's Donnett with Embroidery.com. Welcome to this week's machine embroidery demo. First up today are these in the hoop holly stockings. These are from Art Embroidery. There are 3 sizes in the pack. I've got 2 of them here. They range from a 5x8 to a 6x9 to an 8x11. But look at the beautiful, beautiful stitching. Now there are 2 packs, one without a cuff like these 2, and one that actually does have a cuff. And again, these are made all in the hoop. The beautiful stitching is just amazing. Now she has put these just on some basic felt and stitched them out, and oh my gosh, they look amazing. They look like they took so much time and so much effort, and yet they are so simple. Stitch them out on this, I love this burgundy felt, and look at this cute little heathered gray felt. But these would be great for coworker gifts or neighbor gifts. Fill it full of some chocolate kisses and you are done. And they make a great addition to anybody's home decor. These just turned out absolutely amazing. So these are from Art Embroidery and they are called In the Hoop Holly Stockings. Okay, next up is Kimber's Pennants and Banners Christmas Wishes. Now in this pack there are 4 designs. There's a candy cane, there is the candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses, there's a Christmas tree, and then there's one that says Merry and Bright and it has some Christmas lights. But oh my gosh, you guys, so many fun techniques. I love the banner here. Each design comes in 5 sizes. So you've got everything from a 4x4 hoop all the way up to a 9x14. I believe this one is the extra large. Simply made here, added a dowel to it, the ribbon, and then I love how she even, she attached some, what are these things called? Sequins. That's what they're called, sequins. Added some sequins and a bead on top to add the cute little holly. And then of course we have this candy cane towel, a basic flour sack towel, but then she added this cute fabric at the bottom. And then the candy cane itself is done with glitter flecks. You've got the red, white, and the green. Again, a very simple, easy technique. Anybody could do it, even beginners, and yet it makes an amazing, you know, just breathtaking design. Perfect for your Christmas kitchen. So that is Christmas Wishes from Kimber. Next up is this design pack called Fancy Trains. Now there are 10 designs in the pack. Each one comes in 3 ways. There is the fully stitched and then there's an outline. The fully stitched comes in 2 sizes. But there of course is Santa in the locomotive, then then there's like a moose, boxcar, a polar bear, and a penguin. There's all kinds of different boxcars in this train. But again, she stitched these out just on some hand towels that actually had these snowflakes already on them. I mean, how great to take a hand towel that's already exceptional, add some embroidery to it and make it, you know, extraordinary. I love that. So again, there are 10 different boxcars, 2 that are fully stitched with different sizes, and then the outline one, which just, they're just so cute. So I've paired this one with a Hemingway 6-spool thread set, which includes Old Gold, Toasted Almond, Pure Purple, Christmas Green, True Blue, and Christmas Red. So, of course, some fun Christmas colors, because you gotta celebrate the Christmas colors with this cute, fancy train design pack, which would be awesome on a table skirt going around the Christmas tree. Just saying. Best way to get a Christmas tree around, or a Christmas train around your Christmas tree is to put it on a skirt. Next is Kimber's Bench Buddies. Now, this one is the first one in the series. This one covers January, February, March, and April. I have the two here for January, cute little snowman and a penguin. I love that you're always learning new techniques with Kimberbell's designs. So on this cute little snowman, of course it's an applique, so she used the white glitter flecks. But look at the cute little earmuffs and his scarf. You're learning, you know, a fringe technique, which is absolutely amazing. It gives such extra detail and extra texture to any of your designs. And then of course he says, there's no place like home. Love him. Oh, I love how she added this tassel ribbon. So you could hang it on a door or hang it on a doorknob. Just add to not only your winter decor, but in through January. Then this one is so cute. It's got a cute little penguin. Look at this amazing, crazy quilting going on here. I love that each embroidery over each section of the crazy quilt is an amazing decorative stitch. There's so many different decorative stitches just in this one section here going over the crazy quilting, which is just absolutely amazing. Again, another technique that you can learn. Of course, he's got the fringe for his earmuffs, and then it says, "Brr, baby, it's cold outside," with an applique snowflake. But some fabulous techniques you can learn with these Kimberbell bench buddies. Finally today is PJ Designs Crescent Santa. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how amazing this is. So now there are two sizes in this Crescent Santa. One finishes out at about 16 by 14, and this one, which is the large one, finishes out at 19 by 16. This is done all in the hoop. I know, it's amazing. So we've got the buffalo plaid hat up here. I love that she used Minky and for the pom-pom and his cuff on his hat. You've got some holly. Oh my gosh, look at this amazing beard. Oh, I just want to sit there and like run my fingers through it. You can't necessarily tell because it's so fluffy, but there is embroidery. So if you did it with just some basic white fabric, there is some embroidery that goes through the beard, kind of giving it a little bit of texture if you didn't use fabric like this. So you would still have that texture. The cute little holly is then just secured on, and then there's an eyelet in the pom-pom, and then each one of these stars is completed as well in the hoop, and they each have eyelets that you can attach them. Now this cording we actually made with some Crescent 1/8 inch ribbon and the Crescent cord maker. Super easy to make, super easy to make. And then we just simply threaded it through the eyelets, tied a knot, and added them on. But oh my gosh, how amazing would he look on your front door with the cute little star saying believe. Then we added in the back here, we added a rod that goes through both of the top eyelets to give it a little bit more stability so it doesn't fall in on itself. And it just turned out absolutely amazing. Perfect addition, this Crescent Santa, to anybody's home decor. And he was a very fast project actually. I believe she actually got him done in maybe like 2 days. So he was a very fast project. Cute little Santa face there. So we paired him with some Hemingworth 6-wool thread set as well. We've got corn silk, Kelly green, peaches and cream, cardinal red, old gold, and eggplant. So again, some perfect colors for his white, his face, and all of the rest of the stitching. He just turned out absolutely amazing. For more details on him, go check out our beginner's journey into machine embroidery, where we will have video of Deanne sewing him out and creating this amazing Crescent Santa. And we will chat with her about the process of stitching him out. So make sure you check out that vlog. Well, that's it for this week's episode. Head on over to my machine embroidery blog on embroidery.com, where I will have close-up pictures of all the projects I've shown you here today, as well as links to all their design packs and thread sets. Make sure you turn your notifications on, because that's how you'll know a new video is up. And as always, I love to hear your comments and suggestions, so please leave those for me below. Happy stitching, everyone! Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye!